Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Kitten, and I am back with some more Slendytubbies The Devil Among Us. We're going multiplayer, so that means my sister is here.
Hey there!
Whoa. Alright. I'm creating it. I'm gonna be going to the secret base, and I'm gonna set it to easy, because Chloe isn't really the best.
I'm not for anything above that.
Yeah, normal is pretty hard. I'm in. Alright. Where are you? You're not in yet.
It's loading. It's loading.
Wait, they're newborns. They're newborns. The shops can sometimes be in weird places, but I know where they are.
Okay, oh my god. I thought, oh god.
Hello.
Shit. Oh my god. It's so cramped.
Where?
It took a second for me to load and everything stopped and I thought my game was crashing.
Okay, cool.
Oh, I just cornered myself and
Where did you go? Oh, I know where you are. There are like 20 newborns on me, so give me 1 second. There. Alright, follow me. I know where the shop is. Follow me.
Here, does my skin look weird?
No, it looks fine.
Like what do I look like? Because I tried to put on a custom skin, but it didn't work.
Oh, you look
Like,
pink.
am I still pink?
You're still pink.
I'm pink? Because on my screen it looks white.
Follow me.
On my screen it looks white, so I'm just kind of confused.
You're pink on my... Are you...
I fell down!
Of course you did. Pick whatever you want as long as you can afford it. Honestly, I'm not that surprised.
I'm lost.
Don't fall down there. Whoa!
I'm getting stuck.
There's a place down there. Okay. This is what
It's out in the open.
This is what I call the battle area. Oh, hello.
Alright, I don't have a submachine gun, I just have a pistol because I died and I couldn't get back in time.
You're gonna be okay. I don't even think you could afford it.
I got a knife, I'm gonna shank him.
Yeah, do that. Come on. I killed a
running.
I killed a runner with my knife.
Yeah, that's not working.
Let's just shank them. Oh.
No, that's not gonna work.
That one's going after you. It's working well for me.
Well, not for me. I'll let you shank him, but...
Alright.
I tried and I still haven't mastered it.
Okay. Oof. Come on, there we go. Uh-oh.
Come on, die! Ah! I need to reload.
Hey, no. Mini boss. Oh, he's shot into the wall.
He's an idiot!
I'm not in normal mode, so I can run and reload at the same time.
Woo!
Whoa. Yeah, I'll let you take care of him for a second. Oh, I always get stuck on things. Come on. Almost there. Ow.
I don't think I've ever seen him use that attack.
I'm fine, I'm okay. Whoa. Where'd you go?
No, I'm trying to follow you. I did it.
Cool. I know, this outbreak will not end anytime soon.
Montes.
I'll refill this. Oh, you can go all the way over here.
I'm just gonna get the normal submachine gun. Little baby one. What?
Yeah.
Yeah, I climbed up here a second ago.
Cool.
Oh, The sky looks so pretty.
Yeah, it does. Caution. Oh, that really lags my game. Look at this. Doesn't it lag your game a lot? Oh, there's an area over here. So this is basically where, oh jeez, where we're going to be for the entire map. Because I don't like going in here. Why are you going over there? Well, I guess it's okay to stay right here, but they do spawn behind me, so maybe not.
Like, where's the shop?
I can show you.
Come on.
What?
Forward behind me, little ones. Oh, I forgot there's fighters. Yeah, maybe it's a good idea to stay out here.
Yeah, that's what I was just saying. Okay.
Ow.
I think you got that kind of under control. Whoa.
Is it just me or are the runner newborns taking so much more to kill?
They have a lot more health than the original newborns.
I know, but they feel, at least to me, they feel like they have more health than they normally do.
I don't know. They always evade me. What the heck? They just sneak up behind me somehow.
Hey, come on. Die!
I think I got it. Although I'm not
I
entirely
can
sure.
never hit them!
I know. Whoa, okay. I got hit.
Dang it.
Oh, dead newborn.
Oh god, I'm in the place, I didn't mean to go in here, no!
It's okay.
I'm cornered. Ow. I'm going back in. Oh, I'm out of ammo on this.
Follow me, follow me.
We need to get to the shop before it's too late.
I think it's over here. No, follow me. Uh-oh.
Aaron.
We can get there! Don't use my real name!
I've used your real name so many times. It's not a secret anymore.
I was just hoping people wouldn't notice at this point. Nice one. Now stock up while you can.
Okay. Buy it as quick as you can. Buy.
Scar 17. Alright, this might be bad. We have
Rude,
to...
I'm getting a shotgun.
We have to get out to where we were.
Shotgun time.
We have to get out to where we were.
Where's the shop in this place?
Oh, I think it was where I went to before, where I had that mistake.
Oh, no, not you.
You know, I'm going the other way. Hello. Whoa. Ah! Okay, that came out of nowhere. Well, I'm kind of getting clobbered.
Ow!
Well, that did not work out.
Rocket to the face.
Yeah, it's happening a lot. I saw that runner. Didn't get it. I'm just trying to take him out, although it's not working.
Spider, just die!
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Ranged newborn. Got him. Oh, jeez. What the?
I
think that might be a smart
not
idea.
even working. I'm shotgunning these things because I'm so dumb.
Well, okay.
Die. Die.
I don't care. I'm just knifing them. Oh, good job.
Die. Nice little one shot.
What is that? Okay. Hey, it's on me. Whoa. No, can you not?
Hang in that. I think I'm pretty confident that fully missed.
Ah. Dude, what the? Where did you come from? Great. I got a lot on me.
Oh, dang it!
Nope. Go down.
Ow, ow.
Okay, that's a little weird. What? You're bringing it over to me! Alright,
Okay, where is the shop? Where is the shop?
I'm fairly confident I know where it is. Yeah, it's straight ahead. It has to be right there. It is. I didn't lead you astray this time, although next time, I don't know. Good job. You don't even seem like a newbie.
I don't think I like this map very much.
Well, I tried to tell you. What are you looking at?
I'm just looking at if I want new guns.
I'll wait
I
for
think I'm gonna
you.
what I got.
I'll wait for you out there.
I'm coming. Now that I think about it, I should have probably gotten a med pack because I'm already getting kind of crushed, but...
Behind you. Shot him right in the face.
Okay.
And if you didn't hear it, like, what, last round, my real name is Aaron. I guess I won't keep it a secret anymore.
Not a secret.
That spider was acting very weird. I think I had a glitch. Come on. Oh, what? Mines. We have the spider mines. Okay. Whoa, okay.
Oh my god, Aaron, I accidentally shot you because I thought you were something. It's so dark.
I know I look scary, but don't shoot me. The only thing scary about me is my looks. That kind of hurt. The self-burn. Shot him against the rock. Why me?
I'm so confused right now.
Go away. Nice. What are you doing?
Dang it. Ow.
Hello there.
Die.
There's a shop. Okay, it's over there. That's fine. Ow, that mine hit me.
Where?
Mini bosses.
Oh, it's coming. He's coming.
Oh, I hear it.
Oh yeah, there's two this time, isn't there?
What? They shot through the wall. I'll let you take care of that one. It's on low health. Okay.
Die to the shotgun.
I shot it.
Is it in this way?
Yeah, I shot it in its central core, and that shut it down. I hope I don't come across him again. He already makes me feel remorseful. Good to know. I bought.
Alright.
I bought something.
I'm getting the best submachine gun.
Oh, I bought
and a medkit because I may die and I don't want that to happen.
I bought something
I got my best submachine gun.
I bought something I didn't mean to.
Okay.
Very first time that's ever happened. The AKM. It's not like it's terrible, but I'd rather have something else.
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing over there? Are you hacking the mainframe?
No.
It sounded like it.
What do you mean?
You were like, you're clacking away over there. Let's go back.
Ow.
Ow. Oh, okay. You know what? You can handle that one.
I'm so confused. I'm so confused.
Oh, he was on the rock and I shot him down.
Where is it?
Alright, doing okay. Hey. What the? Nice. I have to reload.
Half of the time I legitimately can't see.
This is going well. Plop. What was that?
I have no idea.
Go away. Uh-oh.
Ah, he's
I'm
behind
okay.
me. No, that's just a range. Be born.
Ah, hello there. Snuck up on me. It's here. I'll
Dang
switch.
it, I need to...
Whoa. Switch over to the AKM. That I mistakenly bought. Pretty good.
Oh, he's here, I hear him.
Yeah, that's what I said before.
No, I'm switching to my beautiful submachine gun.
Yeah, okay.
No.
What the? Okay. Nice. One shot to the head. Whoa. He moved.
I still need to reload.
Oh no.
That's fine.
Shop is over there. Okay, good.
Oh,
No,
cool.
go away.
Alright, where's the shop? Alright, right here, cool.
It's over here. I may be pessimistic about my chances, but you shouldn't. Keep moving on.
Thank you.
I'm gonna sell the AKM. I'm going to get the elite crossbow. I'm gonna try it out. I don't like it much, but maybe I need to give it a second chance.
I'm getting the best shotgun.
I swear, if this thing sucks, I'm gonna be angry. I need to get...
Wait, what did you get? I wasn't really listening.
You know, I'm not even gonna tell you.
Okay.
Okay, fine. I got the elite crossbow.
Alright, let's see how that works.
Yeah, I don't use it, but maybe I should.
This round, get a rocket launcher. I dare you to get a rocket launcher.
Okay, I'm fine with that. Hey. No. Oh, launched him. You got right in my... You got right in where I was aiming. Oh, what is that? Just something. Come and kill me.
Ow!
Go away. Go away, all of you. Whoa. Okay, nice. Whoa! The newborn got launched towards me. Gotta reload. Nice. Oh, you got the best submachine gun, right? You definitely do. Good. I think I took out 2 ranged ones. What's that? Alright.
Alright, nothing in there.
Nice, I have nothing. Nothing left.
I'm cornered. I keep getting cornered.
Alright, move out of the way. We got mines here. I think I'll switch over to this. Elite crossbow.
Yeah, see how that works.
Full auto mode. Hold on. Okay.
Wait, where's the other guy?
It beats me. Okay. Ah!
I think I hear him.
Alright. Ow. I knew that was gonna happen, yeah, I didn't move.
Just screw it, I'm just gonna take the shot.
I hope it's right ahead.
Where is this?
Yeah, it's definitely right ahead.
It is. Oh, okay.
It is!
Okay.
Greetings, I hope you're okay after all of that. I am doing fine. Yes. Yes. I am doing yes.
Mm-hmm.
Alright. I got an anti-tank rocket launcher.
Alright.
It's gonna be great. Although I need to keep my distance because we're in a small area and I could blow myself up.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. We don't want that to happen.
Oh. I think the elite crossbow is fine.
Here comes the range newborn.
I think it works. Definitely works better at close range. As a lot of things do. Mine. Oh, whoa, hello, hello. Nope. Got him out of the way. Oh, the newborn general, of course. Ah! You're supposed to protect me! Whoa. Finally got him. Okay.
Ow! I stepped right on that.
I'm gonna take you out. Like that. What was that? Where was that? I know what it was, I just don't know where it was. Okay. Cool. Oh, I have to reload too. I gotta run. Oh, jeez. I got caught on something, but I'm fine.
Oh, berserk! I haven't seen any berserkers. I guess they're all just like standing behind.
Me neither. Oh, you turned on me. That's my bad. High-low there. There's 2 of them.
I think. Oh my god, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I got stuck in the wall. Ah.
I got it.
I got stuck in the wall. It had like 2 berserkers on it.
And that's the newborn general. They're all on me.
I'm trying, but I'm
This
kind of
is
panicked.
insane. I'll take care of the berserkers. If I know where they... Okay, no, they're on you.
They're all on me. Everything's on me.
I know. General, we got the general. Oh, that's nice.
I'm out of ammo. No, don't get stuck again. Ah. Alright.
Oh, nice! Double I killed 2 of them and they both went flying.
Oh my god.
It happened again. Ah!
Ow, 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 ow. I am not doing it.
Imagine what would this be like on normal mode. We'd both be dead.
Yep.
Why are you going after me? Stop it.
Ow. What's hitting me?
That was a running newborn. Whoa. You focus on the...
I'm at 32 health.
You focus...
Yeah, 32.
You focus on the boss. I'll take out the little guys.
Ow, 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 ow. I'm at 18 health.
Okay. Okay, I'm on it. I don't know where the
Loop.
shop is. Oh, nice. I have to reload.
No, 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 no. I don't want to die.
Stop.
Okay, good. I was gonna reload, but there's just not enough room here for you to run away and heal.
Yeah, follow me. I know where it is. Of course, it's all the way over here. Okay. Hello. I'll get my stuff.
Submachine guns.
Oh, you can get as many melee weapons as you want, it seems.
Mm-hmm.
Huh.
Cool. You know, I'm gonna get rid of my small submachine gun and get an assault rifle.
Alright, I'm leaving.
Oh, and it's starting! I didn't even notice the clock.
Yeah, we gotta...
That could have been disastrous.
We gotta go. I know where the
I
shop
just bought
is.
this new gun at the last second.
I know where the shop is. I'm clearing out a path. Berserker right behind you. It's dead.
I know there's one in front of me.
Nice. Oh, I shot you, I think. Maybe not.
You shot me.
Well, it's not like I meant to. Oh, there's a second mine there that I didn't even see. Whoa.
Ow.
Yeah, ow. Ow is definitely right. Why?
Well, this is gonna be really hard on these Wendigo things when they charge and everything.
Yeah, and the mine just went onto me. Although you should try this in the underground lab. When the Wendigos charge at you, you barely have any room to move.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to that a whole lot. Okay, you know what? Fine, I'll stop. Spider.
Oh, spiders.
What's that behind me? That thing, I guess. What I hit over there? Good. Ranged newborn. Nice. I'm trying to hit it, although I just can't. I killed both of them at the same time, so I'm happy about that. I think I gotta switch to my elite crossbow. Ah, it's laggy over here. It's laggy, it's laggy. You're pretty
These rocks are so annoying because like the newborns keep getting stuck on the rocks and then like teleporting everywhere, and I can't get a good aim on them.
Yeah,
and,
okay.
Like waste a bunch of ammo.
I keep getting stuck on the rocks. I don't teleport. What are you talking about?
No, they teleport. Like they like kind of glitch out.
Yeah, I was. Okay, never mind.
Alright, I'm out of ammo on my submachine gun.
I'm on half health.
Oh, okay, great.
There it is.
Oh, great, they're here.
This reminds me of...
There's one coming up behind you.
I just saw it. This reminds me a lot about the survival trailer that they released, like... This team released, like, a couple months ago. Okay.
No.
I somehow didn't get hit by that winter blast. Ow, right in the face.
Ow.
Oh yeah, I can do this.
I killed him.
I forgot about that.
Where's the...
Okay. I know where it is.
Shotgun!
Come on. All the way up there. We don't have to go as far down there. It's just right here. I wasn't able to finish this job, but I have faith that you will.
Oh, so we're on the boss?
Yeah.
Yes? Oh, great.
Do you know who it is? Of course you don't.
Nope. Is there 2 phases? Do you have to come back here?
I'm just
or is this it?
I'm gonna let you find that out for yourself. I know, and I'll just let that torment you.
Alright, do you have a med kit?
Frick.
Oh no, you don't have a med kit.
Yeah. There he is, he's already here.
Oh,
did I just miss with that?
ow!
Are you kidding me?
After you. I can't shoot him.
Yeah,
Aaron, you have a rocket launcher, yes?
Yes, I got it. I'm moving slow with it.
I'm trying to. You guys keep rounding around and I can't hit him.
Did I seriously not hit him again? I don't know. Whoa, okay. Hold on there.
Nope. Ow.
I blew myself up. Are you kidding me?
Aaron.
I think I'll be okay. I don't know.
Ow.
I hope that didn't hit you.
I
Oh!
don't think it did. I think I just got cornered. Ow.
I
Okay.
didn't expect him to turn on me. I'm not doing too good, and I kind of regret my decisions. He's still going after me.
Yes. Do you need to heal? Do you need to like go somewhere and heal?
I don't have a med kit. I told you.
Oh, dang it! I'm sorry.
You know, I'm gonna stop using this.
Ow.
I'm gonna stop using this rocket launcher because it's hurting me more than it's hurting him.
Yeah.
I'm just like doing nothing to him. So elite crossbow time. Ouch.
He's just going after you. I'm trying to hit him out.
I'm doing okay. Elite crossbow
Our
isn't.
machine gun is done.
Elite crossbow isn't so bad. Ow.
Ow. I'm at 28.
I'm at 26.
I'm at 3 health.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, we're not gonna do this. We are not gonna do this.
What are you talking about?
I was gonna run away to heal, but I got too cocky.
Yeah, okay. I feel like that's something that I would do. So it's all up to me.
You're doing pretty well, though.
Oh yeah, you can see me. I just see your gun lying there.
I never used my assault rifle this entire round.
Okay. I want to use the rocket launcher, though. I know I shouldn't do that.
Yeah.
Oh, jeez.
You're doing pretty well, though.
Yeah. Alright, wait. That did a lot of damage. I'm taking him out with this rocket launcher. I know it.
Yeah. Yeah, we're doing it.
Okay. No, go away.
Keep flipping and get a good...
Oh, you almost got me there.
Come on.
Oh, hey, I got a rocket launcher, too. In fact, it has your name on it.
Alright, that was pretty cool.
Yeah, that was a cool finishing...
Woo!
That was a cool one-liner.
Yeah.
Getting him right in the face. You know what this calls for?
Alright, well there's that. I'm a ghost hovering over you guys.
Ow!
What did you just do?
I died.
No.
We did it. So it doesn't matter. Alright, that was... As always, that was really fun with you, Chloe.
Okay, yeah, great.
I love doing these things with you. Alright, that was a secret base on survival mode. We did it together.
Uh-huh.
That was a lot of fun.
That was a lot harder than normal things. Because you can't really move around that much because you're confined to this small space. So it's much harder. I think that's the hardest map I've done.
Yeah, I'm gonna take you to the underground lab next.
No.
Okay, fine. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. See you guys on the next episode, and I hope you have an amazing day. Now, this is the point where you say goodbye, Chloe. Goodbye.
Bye-bye!
Goodbye.